Do you want to know how this client went from this to this? Then keep watching. Hello everyone, welcome to Bregha Beauty. My name is Shay and today we're going to be talking about a case of hyperpigmentation from the clinic. So, meet my client. We're going to call her Mrs. B. So Mrs. B suffered from a case of hyperpigmentation. First things first, what is hyperpigmentation? Hyperpigmentation is the excessive production of melanin within the skin. Melanin is the brown pigment that is responsible for the color of you and I. So to treat hyperpigmentation, we carried out 2 sessions of our epidermal peeling treatment. The epidermal peeling treatment is fantastic at promoting cell rejuvenation. It makes the skin appear much more luminous, much more brighter. So this is what the client looks like after 14 days from the treatment. You can see her hyperpigmentation is looking like it's of the past, and I can't wait to see how her skin is going to look like after we carry out the rest of our treatments. Right now, we've only carried out 2 treatments and her skin looks so radiant. And I can't wait to see how she's going to look in the future. The client even said she was getting a lot of compliments. She's looking so gorgeous. This level of moisturization is the goals. Her skin is literally goals at this point. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe so that you don't miss out on any new content. See you guys in another video. Bye!